We are Kofax, and we're going to change the way the world banks. I'm going to tell you a little secret for all you bankers out there. Consumers don't like going to branches, especially on days like today, where it's raining, there's a tube strike, then they get there and you have to wait online. What we're going to show you today with Kofax technology is how any bank can turn a mobile device into a branch. It's a mobile branch. It's very simple. What Kofax technology does, it turns smartphones into not just sophisticated scanning devices, but intelligent document capture devices. We capture documents. We read them. We understand them. We pull out critical data. It's like having a little banker in your mobile device that can actually read the data, understand what it is, pull out the important information, and enter it into the system of record. So today, we're going to give you an example of that technology. And hopefully it'll show up on the screen. So with a very simple tap, snap, and chat, I'm going to show you how you can use a mobile device to open up a new account without ever setting foot in a branch. So we're going to open up a new account. For this particular situation, personal banking. It's like a checking account for those of you from the United States. And if you'll notice, it's asking me for 3 different types of documents. Now, I want to make this clear. Kofax can capture any kind of document, not just these 3 documents. But for the sake of this demo, my name is Laura Wilson. And I'm going to capture first the driver's license. And if you'll notice there's a little plus sign in a circle, that makes sure that we take the best picture possible. Now what's happening is we're cleaning it up and we're reading the data off of the driver's license. If the data is correct, we're going to hit continue. Next, we're going to enter a council tax bill. Now the reality is we can read any type of bill, any type of document. For this example, we're going to do a corporate tax bill. In the United States, we actually have this nifty bill payment system where you can take a picture of the bill and have it paid from your checking account. So let's capture that. Put the little plus in the circle. Hit enter. We're going to clean up the image and we're going to extract the data. Now we're going to hit continue. The third area, I know what all of you are saying, is Kofax, you must be from America because in the United Kingdom, we can't use mobile check deposit. 2 weeks ago, we actually introduced mobile check deposit for the UK. And if you come to our booth, I will tell you that there are certain situations that in the UK, it is legal to do a mobile check deposit. But given that I'm Laura, I have to fund my checking account. So I am going to take a picture of a check, extract the data, and fund it. Now I'm going to continue. If you remember before, I said tap, snap, and chat. And if you read on the bottom of this mobile screen, it's saying, please tap the authenticate button. Now, we've done a lot of research on the best way to authenticate a user. We've looked at scores, we've looked at neural nets and different algorithms and the credit bureaus. What we did is we actually talked to bankers and say, how do you do it in the branch? And they say, oh, we look at the person's face and we match it to their driver's license or other form of ID. So I'm going to hit authenticate, and let's see what happens.
Hello, this is Diane from the Bankrite call center. I see that you're trying to open an account. Is this Laura Wilson?
Yes, this is Laura Wilson.
Laura, I'm here to ID and validate you, but you don't look much like the photo on your driver's license.
It must be the lighting.
I think it's much more than just the lighting. But seeing as how this is a Finovate demo, I will go ahead and authorize your account opening.
Brilliant. So what we've showed you is clearly we demoed how the mobile device can capture documents, any type of documents. We captured a driver's license, a council tax bill. We showed you mobile check deposit. And we even showed you how to authenticate that Laura was really Laura. You'll have to give us a little room here because it is a demo. And so in closing, once again, remember, consumers don't like walking into branches. Whatever you can do to offload the workload of the branch to the consumer does a few things. Makes the consumer happy, reduces the costs in the branch, everybody wins. We'll be at our booth later on today in order to answer any questions. Thank you very much.